Can I have one drink and drive? There is no easy answer to that question because we're all different, one person to the next, and our ability to metabolize alcohol is different from one person to the next. And in fact, it's different between one day and the next involving the same person. What may tip your mother over the limit may not tip you over the limit because you're younger, maybe you're in better physical condition, maybe you've slept well last night or better last night, maybe you've eaten more today, and things like that. All these factors all combine to assist your metabolism to metabolize alcohol quicker. And in fact, what may tip you over the limit today, the same amount of alcohol tomorrow may not. So it's different between people, but it's also different between a person given one day to the next to the next. So there's no easy answer, and there's no scientific answer. I wish there was, but unfortunately there isn't. Can you go to jail for drink driving in Ireland? Conceivably, in theory, yes, you can, but in practical reality, if it's your first time coming to court for a drink driving offence, which it is for most people, then it's almost certainly not the case that you will receive a custodial sentence. The custodial element is there, as it is for every offence, but it's only really used for people who commit drink driving a second or third or fourth time. For those people, there is obviously an enhanced risk of custody. But if it's your first time coming to court for drink driving, it's almost certainly the case that you will not be sent to prison or anything like that. Is drink driving an automatic ban? I'm afraid so, yes it is. If you plead guilty to drink driving, or if you're found guilty of drink driving, you will be disqualified. It's got nothing to do with your circumstances. It's because the law is very clear. If you're found guilty or if you plead guilty, the judge must disqualify you. They have no choice but to do it. And they must put you off the road. The length of the disqualification then very much depends on how much over the limit you were. The disqualification, whether it comes in or not, has nothing to do with your circumstances, whether you need a car for work or anything like that. It's automatic. That means it's mandatory. So if you're found guilty or if you plead guilty, I'm afraid you will be disqualified from driving, yes.